dog go.
Well, I can't pick a tough right now, champ. Hey, champ, Wild Dog said he knocked you down. He said he knocked him down. He knocked him down. Wild Dog, you knock him down. The break.
Tell him I say, bye. Don't give me no back talk. You tell him Wild Dog at 9:33. Say bye. And don't give us no back talk. Wild Dog go.
Contact Wild Dog at 9:33 said bye, and don't give no back talk. That's what she said. Wild Dog said bye and 9:33, and he said don't give him no back talk. Bye.
You tell that boy Wild Dog said take a walk, man. Tell him to take a walk and let that thing cool up for a little while. Tell him 817 Wild Dog in Chicago. Wild Dog go.
Contact Wild Dog. Go take a walk and let it cool down. Go take a walk and let it cool down. That's what she said. Wild Dog. Bye.
And tell him he better not never mess with 933 no more. You tell him he better not never mess with 933 no more. Long as he black. Wild Dog go.
You said tell him he better not mess with 933 no more. That's what she's saying. Hey, Wild Dog, you said he better not mess with 933. Wild Dog, I wrote it. Bye.
Good time, Charlie. Pop goes on you. Good time. Tap the ball. Pop goes on you. Good time, Charlie. I want you to tell him. Good time, Charlie. BYU, you got it down.
Hey, good time, Charlie. You rising up in my radio while you talking to Pop Goes the Weasel. Hey, Uncle Good Time Charlie. Uncle Good Time Charlie. 817 Mobile. Bye.
Bye, 817. Good time, Charlie. That's what I'm talking about. 212 in the Buckeye.
Right there, Uncle Good Time Charlie. Here I come. I got the Buckeye in my radio, though. But Uncle Good Time Charlie, I gotta wish my Uncle Good Time Charlie good morning. Uncle Good Time Charlie, have a blessed weekend. Uncle Good Time Charlie, 817 Mobile gone. Right there, 109. I got you in the BYU. Hello out there, 109.